We originally had a random number or random card generator on the website, and you could simply use that to shuffle the cards and then discuss them. But now we've come up with an application that you could use internally, so not reliant on an external website, something you can use within your meetings. And quite simply, it's an in-house card table using loss of containment, or you could use ignition, could use human factors, whatever process safety cards you want to use. So simply what we have here is a familiar card table, and we deal the cards out, ask us how many players we want. So let's just start with one player, and then it gives us a card, and we can have the cards in different languages, English and other languages, and then we can have some description down here. And then every time we press deal, we get a different card, and we could discuss that card again. What's our understanding of the hazard, how we believe we've managed it, etc. We could change it to 2 people, 2 players, whatever. Same idea, keep dealing the cards, English and alternative languages. We could even take the descriptions away and use this as a quiz. So simply give people the images and they have to guess or identify what the event or the card actually means. So here we have 3 players. So you'll see as we go up, we've got the image, we've got the titles in different languages, and some details on what this actually means. Up to 4 players. Again, every click of the deal gives you a different card. Every player has their own card that they then have to discuss. And then going all the way up to 5 players. And again, every deal gives you different card, different title, different language. These are just examples. And you can walk your way through the pack, whether it's loss of containment, human factors, etc. If you'd like to know more, go to processsafetycards.com, and we'd be happy to customize this tool for you. Thank you.